What you're about to watch is a clip from my BrandLytics training where I get together with entrepreneurs, thought leaders who want to build their brand using YouTube and making data-driven decisions to blow up their brand this year. Enjoy. All right, everybody. We are talking about lead magnets and getting people off of YouTube and into your business. You have a business and your goal is to get people from social media, from your YouTube channel to then go and buy your stuff, right? The goal isn't just to have X number of subscribers on YouTube. The goal is to actually grow the business. So that's what having an effective lead magnet does. We've gone crazy. What we're doing now is making a lead magnet for every video that we put up. So here is the most recent example. So again, we're going to go to rule 4, right? Halfway through the 10, or just a little bit before half.
Conscious and capable. You're still after what?
Okay, then I come on. Also, to make sure you're actually taking action after watching this video, I've designed a special free worksheet just for this video. The worksheet will highlight all of the lessons learned in this video, as well as pull out our 3 favorite learnings and quotes that will inspire you to actually do something. The worksheet will also give you space to write down what your key takeaways are and your specific plan of action to make sure you're getting results. If you want the worksheet designed specifically for this video, absolutely for free, there's a link in the description below. Go click on it and start building the momentum in your life and your business. I'll see you there. Again, interrupting my own video, pointing down below, go click on this link, right? Link is in the description, very big. This arrow is animated the whole time. Right? As we started it, it was just a static arrow. And I told my editor, no, make it bouncing and moving for the whole time. So I'm talking for, I don't know, 30 seconds, talking about that, doing a pitch. There's me, a static picture holding an example of a worksheet. And the worksheet is specifically designed just for this video. And then as we go here, get free access to our vault of PDF summaries for every YouTube video here. And then you can go click on the link to find it. This is a lot more work, because it requires us to launch. Right now, we're doing 2 new worksheets every day. So if I click on that, it's going to take me here. Access our vault of PDF summaries for every YouTube video. It shows what one looks like, some of the highlights, etc. This is relatively new, so we don't have any testimonials or anything like this worksheet changed my life, or I love the worksheets, I love the summaries, but that should be added in here. Some, again, testimonials just for friends and credibility. Who is this guy? Meet Evan. And then again, you can put your name in and get it. This is what they actually look like. So you can see this video went live, just went live today. This one went live yesterday. So we're doing 2 a day. These are all different PDFs. So if I click on this, they're not that crazy, right? If you click on this, you're going to see who is this person. You're going to see the lessons. You're going to see our 3 big takeaways from the video. And then we give them a space to write. That's it. That's a PDF, right? It doesn't have to be super complicated or super crazy. Even looking at Dan's presentation is 9 steps of being a millionaire. You get the slides. It's great, right? So people then sign up, they get this, they print it off, they write their lessons. Some people just like having this. You just want a reminder of what the 10 lessons were. And we got it here. For each one, we do something similar. Basically the same template. So it's easy for the team to create, but lessons, and then pull 3 highlights that we like out of it and save it as a PDF. We started on the top 10 channel, and then we started so that was the September 27th. And then we added the main channel on October 4th, and it just kept adding 2 videos a day. Ultimately, this can be a lot more, right? It's really on my team and the stress level of making all these PDFs every day. So as we gotten the system down, it's become a lot easier. So when somebody signs up, they go to the landing page, they're going to get an email to say, hey, thank you so much. Here's the link to get them. They're going to go here and they get all of them. So if they sign up, they get access to all of them. Right? And then when they're on here, we also have some bonuses And these are some extra lead magnets that lead into training. So you can get any of these three. This is from my Movement Makers program. That's what I run on the other Thursdays. Every 2 Thursdays we're here. Every 2 Thursdays I'm in Movement Makers. And we took some of our trainings from that and we made them free if you sign up for it. And you'll get, whether you want to be a speaker, coach, author, influencer, you get 3 free trainings from inside my Movement Makers program that you can unlock inside of here. And then you get their email. And then with their email, again, you should be sending a welcome sequence to get to know you, who you are, your history, your favorite videos, etc. And then you can also be sending them value every week in terms of your latest video. So what we'll do is we'll take our top videos for the week and send that out to the list. And then you can also have your promotion sequence of whatever it is that you're trying to sell. This is our new plan, new PDF for every video, specific to the video. And it's not that complicated, right? I think a lot of people overthink it. Terrell could make a video driving in his car, talking about the 10 things that you need to do to get your first $10,000 in coaching. And people would love that video as a lead magnet, right? And all he has to do is that, hey, and if he's making a video on his channel about coaching, like, hey, if any of you are interested in starting your own coaching practice, I made a video explaining the 10 things that you need to do to get your first $10,000. There's a link in the description. Go check it out. I'll see you there. And that landing page doesn't have to be super complicated either. Like, this was the landing page that got us 6 figures in email addresses. It's graphics. This isn't even text. It's just pictures. It's just pictures. There's not that much that even talks about it. And then when I click on it, it just goes to this. It doesn't have to be crazy complicated, right? Now, there are tools to make this look a lot nicer than what I've done, but people get so caught up on it looking fancy and nice where it's really just the authenticity that will matter and the functionality that works. Like, this looks a lot nicer, but it doesn't have to be this fancy, especially at the beginning. If you want to see this full video as well as train live with me twice a month to blow up your brand, join the BrandLytics training program. There's a link to join right there next to me. Continue to believe. I'll see you there.